Hey everyone, so as you all guys were asking about how to start preparing for SBI Collect 2021, so today we will talk about how to start your preparation. So this video is for beginners who have just started the preparation. This will be helpful for them to understand how to start our preparation. Okay, so we will start with maths. So for maths, there are 4 very easy topics like simplification, approximation, quadratic and number series. Okay, so what you have to do on one day, you have to choose any of these topics. Like today you have chosen simplification, then you have to watch 10 to 15 videos of simplification on YouTube and then solve 100 questions of simplification in one go. Okay, you have to do it in one day. Like, and otherwise you can also do like today you have watched videos, then next day you can solve questions, then next day you have to take approximation, then quadratic, then number series. Okay, you have to solve 100 questions of missing number series, 100 questions of wrong number series. When you think that you have hold a command on these topics, then start practicing 10 questions, like 10 questions of simplification, 10 question of quadratic and 10 question of number series on daily basis. Okay, then you will perform very good in exam. Then there is next section is arithmetic. So for arithmetic, you have to clear your concepts chapter by chapter. Okay, and for arithmetic you can follow Amar sir plus Ashish sir. If you have any paid subscription of like Unacademy, then you can follow Ashish sir on Unacademy, and if you don't have any paid subscription, then you can follow Amar sir on YouTube. Okay, you have to do for arithmetic. Same is for prelims level DI also, that you have to watch 10 to 15 videos of data interpretation. There is simply calculation and addition like these things, and some portion of ratio and proportion in prelims level data interpretation. So for data interpretation you have to solve 20 data interpretation in starting. Okay, then keep solving 5 question of data interpretation daily. This strategy I am talking about prelims. Okay, then after doing this for 2 months, then start your mains preparation, because first you have to clear your basics. So I think we have talked about maths completely. So now we will move to reasoning. So for reasoning, we will start from alphanumeric series, ranking, direction, coded inequality. These are the miscellaneous topics of reasoning. Okay, so for all these miscellaneous topics, if you can follow Ankush Lamba on Unacademy, then it's best. Then you can, otherwise you can follow Bankers Point YouTube channel. The channel name is Bankers Point and the teacher is Anshul Saini. He clears every concept in a very good manner. Okay, for his method is very good for coded inequality, syllogism, tabulation, direction. He is the best teacher of reasoning. Okay, for puzzles and seating arrangement, you can follow Ankush Lamba. 1000 question series. Okay, in this series puzzles are from prelims level to mains level. Then there is no need to worry about your puzzles and sitting arrangement, and keep practicing 5 puzzles daily. Okay, so this is for reasoning for prelims, puzzles and sitting arrangement. First you have to see, you can also watch it on YouTube, like you have to see how they solve puzzles, what is their approach for puzzles and sitting arrangement. Just watch 15-20 videos, just watch. You don't have to solve questions of that videos. Okay, you just have to know their approach, how are they solving, how are they noting the conditions, okay, of prelims level puzzle. Then keep practicing on yourself, like 5 puzzles and 5 sitting arrangements, okay, on daily basis. And like today you have cleared the concepts of alphanumeric series, then try to solve 10 questions of alphanumeric series. Okay, then next day you have to solve questions of ranking, then direction. Okay, and this will go on and on. So reasoning is completed. Now we will talk about English. So in English there are these sections in prelims like error detection, fillers, match the following, RC and para jumbles. Okay, for error detection, first you have to clear your grammar concepts, and with grammar concepts you have to read 120 rules PDF. This PDF is specially made for error detection. Okay, and you can also follow 1:30 PM Nimisha Bansal's class on Unacademy, and your errors will be very good, like your grammar rules will be very strong. For fillers need reading. Match the following also need reading knowledge, matlab reading understanding. RC also needs reading understanding, and para jumbles also need understanding of English. And for para jumbles also you can follow Nimisha ma'am's special classes. Okay, it is freely available on Unacademy. So English, do 1 hour reading. And for reading, I have also told you the strategy in my English strategy video. I will give the link of that video in description. Okay, so for English you have only to do this, like 1 to 1.5 hour reading, and then keep practicing your grammar rules and read 120 rules. Okay, so now we will talk about what should be your ideal schedule if you are a beginner. Okay, and you are just completing your topics, then what should be your schedule though? So we will talk about your schedule. So you should solve daily 10. I am talking about like you have completed these topics like simplification, number series and quadratic. You have to do these topics first, then you have to move to arithmetic. Okay, so solve 10 questions of these topics daily. It should be your daily work, like first thing in the morning to do. Then clear 1 arithmetic topic concept daily, then practice its questions. Okay, 1 reasoning topic, clear its concepts daily, then practice its questions. 1 grammar topic daily. Okay, and then practice its questions. Reading of English, and then 5 sitting arrangement of prelims level daily. And if you think that you have prepared well for reasoning, then start adding mains level puzzle. Like today you have added 1 mains level puzzle. If you feel comfortable, then after 10 to 15 days you can start solving 2 mains level puzzles. Okay, and simply this is also for data interpretation. Yes, you have to solve 5 data interpretation of prelims daily. Okay, and then you can also add mains level data interpretation also, but for mains level data interpretation you need arithmetic. Okay, so this was the schedule and this was the strategy. So you can follow this strategy if you are a beginner, and this will really help you. I have told you all the right sources which I have followed. Okay, and now we will talk about mocks. You should give first mock at the starting of your preparation, like the day when you are starting. Then note down your weak topics and keep cutting them. Like today you have cleared the concepts of this topic, then cut this topic, then next. Okay, start cutting topics from your weak points list, and then keep giving prelims mock, like 3 prelims mock in 1 week and 1 mains mock. But give mains mock after you have cleared all your concepts. Okay, so this was about mocks. And which company mocks? You can prefer any company's mock. All companies are good, like SmartKida, Practice Mock, Adda. These all are good. Okay, you can purchase any of these. So this was all for beginners, and main strategy video will be up very soon. So first try these things. It will be covered in like 2 months. In 2 months you should complete all these topics and start practicing on daily basis. Then I will upload a video on mains. Okay, so Study hard, guys, because there is a golden opportunity ahead of us of SBI clerk. So give your 100%. At least once in life we should give our 100%, so that we don't regret later. Like if we would have done this, then life would be very good, this all this. So don't regret later, just give your 100%, okay, and give it a shot. So all the best. Thank you.